Welcome to What's Happening on Campus July edition. We have so much happening. I'm going to get through all of this super quickly. First things first, I want to congratulate our leaderboard winners. Every month we look at who's top of the leaderboard for logging in and doing the education. So Tracine is hanging on to her championship for another month that she is top of the leaderboard, but we have someone new that actually slid in on the leaderboard on the WanderQuest side, and that is Sabrina E. So congratulations to both Tracine for being top learner of the month and Sabrina for being top challenger of the month. Both of them will be getting a $20 campus gift card. If you would like to participate in this fun contest, all you got to do is log into campus, do your WanderQuest each week, and you are in the running. So make sure you do that going forward. All right, let's jump into all the fun things happening for July. First is, I told you guys last month about profiles. So many of you have filled out your profiles. I'm loving seeing the pictures, your certification circles, filling out your information. This is becoming a beautiful directory, but also an area where you guys can communicate with each other as well. So make sure you get your profile filled out. There's no cost to do that, and anyone that's on campus can do that. So make sure you do that. We had a new release this month. Have you guys seen the lounges? When you log into Wanderlust Campus, let me take you over here really quickly. Okay, so we're over here on Wanderlust Campus. Now, from your dashboard, you're going to notice a new drop down over here that says lounges. That's what you're going to look for. And everybody's going to be eligible for different lounges based on the things that you have already done on campus. So, for example, if you're a Careers on Vacation student or you're with a particular partner, you may have access to other VIP lounges. The whole concept is this is like a VIP lounge, different areas you can participate in. So in this example, I am logged in as a Careers on Vacation student. So you'll notice in here, we have that beautiful directory. If I click on, let me click on Lee, for example. By the way, congratulations to Lee and her partner, Rebecca. They just won Best Travel Agency in their area. So kudos to them. They're a couple of our Wanderlust CEOs and have been double certified through our programs as well. So you see Lee's profile here. You see she's an agency owner. She's also a certified travel professional. And you just fill out a little information about your agency, the things that you specialize in. And then if you'd like to leave Lee a comment, you can type a little comment there and you can kind of communicate back and forth. And you also, guys, you can list your sites. This is going to be a beautiful resource in the future that will be growing and expanding. So you can even share it with your clients at some point in time. But the step for right now is to just get it filled out so you can then be part of the community that's interactive and working together in this beautiful environment. Now, also in the lounges, if we have fun things going on, now, as we have special events and different things launch, we will also be putting some cool things in the lounges as well. For my alumni, just to give you a quick peek, this one's going to look a little bit different. You are going to have access to all of your cool resources. We have your FAQs. We have all your dashboards to get to everything from your KPI tracker to your enrollment portal to anything that you would need, your passport to learning access, your layover lounge, booking academy, all those career tools that you get when you are a certified travel professional. They are hot linked in the lounge for you for easy access. As a student, you're often eligible for different promotions and discounts and things that we have available. You can access those quickly from your lounge as well. And as things release, like our new retreats and things like that, they will unlock in your lounge. So it's a cool place to interact, hang out, and I suggest when you're logging into campus, you check and see what's new over in the lounge going forward from now on. All right, next up, I want to talk through the Passport to Learning courses that are happening for the month. So for my alumni that are in continuing education, we have a ton of amazing happening this month. We do have our How to Book hours this afternoon. Tomorrow, we have our friends from Tembo Wild coming to train you on Kenya and the magic of Kenya. That's a great one as well. Next week, Tuesday, I am doing a hot seat around accounting. So I am going to be interviewing a CEO of a company, of an accounting firm, to teach you what things you need to pay attention to for accounting for your travel business. This is one of those things that's really important, especially as we're rounding the corner, our past half of the year now. So making sure that things are in line so when it gets to tax season, you have all of your ducks in a row. So we are going to have a great session next Tuesday on that. And then in the last couple weeks of the month, we have some other great things happening. We have our marketing hot seat so we can help you with your marketing. And then on the 25th, we have open coaching hours happening from 12 to 2 with Coach Jamie. And then last but not least, we have our partner spotlight talking about websites at the end of the month as well. So all of those sessions are open for our Passport to Learning, continuing education. Those are in class with our educators, our teachers, and our experts. All the purple ones that you're seeing on these calendars, those are global training events. So please feel free to check those out. Anyone is open. These are events that are available for the entire industry, so you can certainly check those out as well. Next up, for those of you that are aspiring to get into the industry, or if you're already in the industry and you know it's time to get your certification because you want to take your business to the next level, do not miss this month's open house. On July 15th, we are doing a session at 12 Eastern, 11 Central, where you can come in live into a class with me and Coach Jamie, who leads our coaching department. And we're just going to answer all your questions about certification. Maybe you're feeling stuck. Maybe you're feeling that you're at a plateau. We're going to work through those with you in this live session and talk to you a little bit about how we support you at Wanderlust campus. Just like any other college or university that's out there, it's just a casual time to stop by and spend some time with our community and see if it's a right match for us to work together to help you grow your business. So we'll see you on the 15th for the open house. That's a do not miss if you are really ready to take your business to the next level this year. All right, next up, we have a big release happening this month. I know we just released lounges. I know we just released profiles. You guys know we're always working for you in the industry. For my alumni who get lifetime of the program access when you become certified, we have the biggest release of the year happening. And I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but we're going to be announcing it from the Wander Beyond retreat in Alaska. It is totally free. You trusted us with your education. We are going to continue to bring you amazing career tools. And this is one of my favorites we have ever done. So Ryan and I are going to be streaming live from the Ovation of the Seas to tell you about this new release. You're not going to want to miss it. So stay tuned for that. Mark your calendars. We'll let you guys know when it's coming the week that we are on Wander Beyond. Speaking of Wander Beyond, Alaska sold out. You can't come with us to Alaska. You missed the boat on that, literally. However, we have 2 people that are now not able to go to Africa for personal reasons. So we have just 2 spots that are now open for the Africa Wander Beyond retreat happening November 1st through the 11th. If Africa is on your radar, you want to add it as a niche next year, do not miss this retreat. We're going to be taking you into the wild. We are going to have an entire educational program to teach you how to get the most from the experience of this familiarization trip, how to attract your ideal clients, how to market to your ideal clients. We will be building content with you in real time while you go through this amazing adventure of a lifetime. Everyone going so far is amazing. This is going to be the coolest retreat that we've ever done. So if that's of interest to you, make sure that you get signed up for that. You can visit your dashboard and just look for the retreat and sign up there. Our friends over at Wanderlust Social have been working really hard. You know, they're always doing an amazing job over there, bringing you the best marketing assets to help you grow your business. We have some really cool things happening. We have our bundles that are coming out. I'm going to share that in a moment. But before I do, we have a new workshop that's going to be happening over in Passport to Learning, as well as for any subscriber of Wanderlust Social. So if you are already subscribed to Wanderlust Social, you're already a Wanderlust Social member, you will be able to go to a live workshop with me and the team where I am going to teach you how to take video content and build video assets for the purpose of putting them in your marketing machine. That's going to happen in August, but I wanted to give you a heads up. If you're not already a subscriber to Wanderlust Social, you have to subscribe and be a member in order to attend that live workshop, which, by the way, we're going to start doing live workshops at Wanderlust Social to help you with your marketing every single month. So you want to make sure that you're a subscriber over there so you can attend those classes each month, which will be on a different topic to help you learn how to use the assets at Wanderlust Social and get them plugged into your marketing machine. Now, let's talk about the bundles Wanderlust Social did for you, because this has to be one of my favorite months. We have a Christmas Market River Cruise. We're already getting feedback and reviews on that bundle. And those of you that sell river cruises are like, you didn't forget a thing. And they're loving that content. You should be marketing your river cruises right now for this year and even into next year. So grab that bundle. That's going to be a great one. We also have Hollywood Studios 2.0 releasing and Japan 2.0 releasing. So those of you that have been screaming, I need my Hollywood Studios, I need my Japan, they are back and they are completely new bundles. They are 2.0. which, by the way, we also had a question recently that said, oh my gosh, how can I please get one of these sold out bundles? Please, please, please. I wanted to let everyone know we only sell so many of the bundles. So the same type of information and marketing is not inundated out there. You've all seen the same Disney stock photos and different things because people buy them on Adobe or they get them on some of these free pixel sites and things like that. And they're everywhere. Wanderlust Social content is really special because we are authentically taking those photos and we are sourcing these photos from different places, but we have a limited window of when you can get those bundles. So if there's any that you were thinking about or you've been on the edge on, make sure you use your Wanderbuck credits to redeem those and get the ones that you want, because once they sell out, at that point, it has to go into the rebuild schedule and it could be several months before we get the next iteration for that particular destination or topic. Okay, so for those of you that are uncertified and new to campus, a couple of things you should do this month. One, get your free campus account if you don't already have it. If you're watching this on YouTube, the same video is playing over in campus, but you don't have access to any of the juicy good stuff. That actually happens over on campus. So get off of YouTube where all the freebie stuff is and come over to campus. You're going to get a free account, but that's where I'm spending my days and my time with my students, with helping them kind of grow and do all the things. So get over on campus by getting your free account. Make sure you attend the open house with me and Coach Jamie so you can get all your questions answered. We can also help give you the exact steps to get started so you don't have to spend time being confused or overwhelmed as you're getting into the industry. That's what we're trying to avoid through our advocacy work at Wanderlust Campus. Last but not least, if you want to grow your travel business this year or be ready for busy season and have your systems in place and be ready to go and make the most of busy season, which, by the way, busy season is important. That sets the bar for the whole rest of the year. That's where you're going to make the majority of your commission is busy season. In order to be ready, you need to be enrolling in Careers on Vacation in the next 1 to 2 months. So make sure you get in with enrollments. Visit us at careersonvacation.com/ready now. Have a chat with them, pick your class date, or you can auto enroll on the site as well, whichever is good for you. But pick your class date, commit to it. Let's get this work done before busy season happens and get you on the path to having more success in your business in a shorter amount of time. Aren't you tired of being overwhelmed? We can skip to the finish line and just get to the good stuff by getting in Careers on Vacation. All right, so let me wrap everything up as a reminder for everyone. Make sure you fill out your profiles, check out the new lounges that are on the site. And for my alumni, stay tuned to hear about our new release that we're going to be releasing later this month and get into Passport to Learning. You saw those amazing classes that we're hosting in July. Every single month, you have the opportunity to come into live classes, work with me as a founder and my experts that I have on the team to help you grow your travel business. But that only can happen if you are in Passport to Learning. Now, keep in mind, Passport to Learning is only for my certification students. You cannot go directly to Passport to Learning. And the reason is I need to make sure you have the full foundation and you're really ready for those next level topics that we're handling over in Passport to Learning. So if you're an alumni student, make sure you join us in class starting this month so we can continue to support you as your business grows and grows to each level as you scale. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic July. Stay tuned and watch our socials so you can see all the fun that we're having at Wander Beyond in Alaska. And I will be back in August for the next update of what's happening on campus.